Well, hey, we're down here at the old Mississippi Shindig. Whoa. And out on the lake first thing in the morning. Figured I'd play my banjo out here a little while and just enjoy the morning mist rising off there. Like I say, we're at the Mississippi Shindig, and we're been having some fun fellowshipping with like-minded folk and good Christian folks, and playing some volleyball and some other games, and just enjoying the company and getting some good Bible teaching. And it's figured to be a good place to film a little bit of tractor church. I guess it's Canoe church this morning. But anyway, it was brought to mind last night by the speaker, Mike Charleston, at well, a fellow lived about 2,000 years ago named Jesus, and there's lots of evidence that shows that he was who he claimed to be. He claimed to be God himself, the Son of God, who died, allowed himself to be crucified. He didn't deserve it. We do deserve it, because we have sinned, and he never sinned once, but he willingly let him crucify him. And after 3 days he rose from the dead, and he defeated death and hell. And if all this is true and you believe it, what are you going to do about it? You got to do something about it. You can't just say, well, I believe that, and go on living your life like it is. One day you're going to be standing in front of him when you leave this world. So I know I probably sound like a broken record always bringing this up, but you got to trust in Jesus for your salvation. It's something you really got to look at. Grab your Bible and read it. Like I say, start in the Gospel of John. It'll walk you through everything. So anyhow, just wanted to give you a little thought this morning, or that maybe. Shoot, I believe I done lost my paddle. I don't know. Let's see. I gotta get to shore somehow. I hope I can get there. Anyway, we had somebody's fire. Well, anyway, I guess I made it. See?